Diversity 2. Installing this remote fan. I was asked to do this project. I wasn't ready to do this one because there was no power supply. There was no switch. There was nothing, not power supply, but there was nowhere to connect this fan in this ceiling in the front room. I was asked to do this project. I wasn't ready to do this project, but I told them that I would get back with them, with information concerning this project, because I had to, from scratch, install the box, cut out the hole, run the wire, cut out the hole for the switch, run the wire from that, and find the power supply and run the wire from that to get my switch connected. And this whole thing was from scratch. Taking the fan out of the box, assembling the fan, making sure all the wires were connected right, since it was a remote. I thought it may be a problem hooking up all of these wires, but it's pretty simple, just matching the wires. But we got it done, and it works fine. So Diversity 2, the remote fan project. But I used my heavy duty drill here to get that down. I tried my hand drill with this, and it wasn't doing a good job. But I got my Pro Series Chicago, got my heavy duty power drill from Harbor Freight. Okay, here I had to remove this baseboard here. I got a hole at the top and the attic, and I pushed my snake through there. Each time I wire tool to put it through. Here it comes. It got jammed for a moment there. I did enough to run it over to my fan box. I have this insert that goes inside of the box, and this wire slides through, keep it from sliding backwards. Once you slide it in, it kind of stays in place. Then I'm going to put it in from the other side, underneath. I'm going to slide my wire through there. Put enough to run it over to my fan box here. I didn't need to use my stud finder to find the stud. I can see it from the bottom next to electrical outlet there. Just go straight up there. And make sure my lines is, you have to make it a little wider. I need to pull this wire through. This is coming from the top. It's going to pull it through from my switch. And this is going to go back down. And it's going to go to the power that's below. I don't think I need my snake with it. Let me try and see. Should go straight to the bottom. attic, and down this wall is where I connected my fan to this switch, and from the switch down to the power supply, from this outlet just right below it, that's where we got our power from. So we got both white wires, all the white wires connect together, and the black wire from the top, and the black wire, the black wire from the fan, and the black wire from the power supply, it connects both to the two screws on the side of the switch here. And the ground wires connect together, the two white wires connect together,